welcome back on Galaxy Universal Network. You're still watching The Weekend Express with me, Masa Chabakobola. And here in studio, I have with you representing Madiba of Forex. I can't name, he asked that I should name his name. I shouldn't mention his name rather. So before we get into things, can you just tell us a bit about yourself and who you are?
Okay, hi guys. I can't really say my real name for safety issues. We go by the Madiba of Forex. We are basically a learning institution for Forex related issues, Forex trading resources, Forex trading systems, and Forex signals. We chose the Madiba of Forex name because we are doing this in his memory. All our resources are for free.
Okay.
Our signals, our education, and our research and information is for free. So we're doing it in his name, in his honor, and his memory, because he was a giver, and that's what we do, we give. And on top of that, if people are unable to fund their trading accounts, we often host competitions so that we can fund their trading accounts and then help them to grow them.
All right, I'm going to ask you something quite absurd. Why, firstly, you don't look like the Forex traders that we normally see on Instagram with their lavish lifestyle, their lavish clothes. So what makes you think, Jorge, people are going to fall into the idea of you helping them make money? Like you come to me, Forex trading, and we are the price, see the cheap things, you know. So what makes you think I'm going to trust you with my money?
Well, here's the thing. I don't need to look like money to teach someone how to make money. One only needs to look like money so that they can make you pay them for them to teach you how to make money.
Exactly.
So looking like money is just me trying to make you fall into what I want to say. So I'm not here to sell a lifestyle, I'm not here to sell anything. I'm here to give the information and the knowledge that I've acquired.
Can one really make money in this Forex industry? Isn't it like the getting the
Triple M.
Yes, triple M scheming, the triangle.
Nah, it's not. It only becomes triple M scheming because of the mentors that we have on Instagram. You keep giving people money for them to teach you. You keep giving them money to give you signals. You're not supposed to do that. In Forex, you can actually make money trading the actual markets. You just need to keep your money to yourself. And that's the movement that I want to do. I just teach them how to do it for free so that they can see and believe that Forex is real. All these Instagrammers have really made it hard for people to believe that they can make money, but you can make money, and I'm here to prove it.
All right. I'm guessing people out there don't understand the difference between Bitcoin and Forex trading. So now can you just make a brief explanation of what Bitcoin is and what Forex is, and how does the Forex industry work in brief? Just to explain the Forex. What do you do the trader in? Because I normally see the graph and I'm like, okay, what is happening?
So Bitcoin is basically a cryptocurrency. It's a currency that you can invest in. People see it as a huge investment because of its volatility and movement. It can move from $5,000 for one Bitcoin to $10,000. It has reached very highs. At some point, one Bitcoin was like above 100,000 rands. So imagine if you bought one Bitcoin at 10,000. That's a huge investment. So in Forex trading, basically, you're trading those type of movements. Imagine USD, the dollar against the rand. We were at 15 rands.
It's close to 16 rand something now, I think.
We were at 15 rands initially. So when you're a Forex trader, you are basically taking sentiments and analysis to assume or speculate where the market will be going. So if you say, I'm buying the dollar against the rand at 15 rands, and then now we are currently at 16 rands 50, like you're saying, then that means you've made 1 rand 50 profit each and every movement. Do you understand?
All right.
So that's in Forex trading, you're trading the movement of currencies. So when the dollar loses value, you're trading it. When it gains value, you're trading it. So even if the South African economy fails, if you're a trader, you are making money when it fails because you're betting on the fact that it's failing.
All right. Just explain what brokers are. Because I've heard of these terms: brokers, traders, Instagram mentors. What are those?
Well, a broker is basically, in simple terms, like the middleman. They connect you to the financial markets. The Forex market trades over $6 trillion each and every day. So the broker connects you to that. You trade through the broker. Without the broker, you cannot trade the financial markets. There's been a trend that the broker is your enemy. Well, that's a lie.
Okay.
It's all these Instagram phenomenons just to create hype and get money from people, but actually the broker is supposed to be your friend. The broker is your friend, because you cannot expect to make millions if you're saying that the broker is your enemy. The one thing that people need to understand is that the broker that you're trading with needs to be regulated with the FSCA, needs to be regulated with financial institutions that approve regulations. That's it.
All right.
In terms of traders, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in trading, that's us.
That's what you explained. Yeah, you explained it briefly.
We are the traders.
And what are the Instagram mentors?
I wouldn't call them mentors. We would need to really define what a mentor is. Yes, honestly. I would say mentor wannabes, but then I wouldn't want to say anything like that. But then they're just hype boys.
They're just selling dreams.
Selling dreams, that's it.
Yeah.
Selling dreams. I said you can make money on Forex. I'm not saying everyone can make $1 million. That's not what I'm saying. But you can make money on Forex to afford your own lifestyle and live off of it.
All right.
I don't want to sell dreams.
My last question I'm going to ask you is, what can people do? We all know people have been scammed throughout, like WhatsApp trying. A lot of things. So what can people do if they're being scammed on Forex, not the WhatsApp scams and whatsoever?
I think what they can do for them not to be scammed, one, they need to stop being moved just because someone is buying Gucci every day.
True.
That's not smart, that's flexing. They need to start following information. They need to start following legitimacy and not a lifestyle. Those people are selling you a lifestyle so that they can afford the lifestyle that they want to live.
Yeah.
And you're buying it. So, but if you've really been scammed, what you can do is just report it. As long as you have like a bank statement, proof of payment, and all of those things. I mean, there are shows, more South Africa, that it's a lot of shows. You can really get there and try to expose those people. But the best thing that you can do, avoid following a lifestyle. Don't get intimidated.
All right then, we were being taught about Forex, and we can't name him because of safety reasons. Representing Madiba of Forex. Let's go to an ad break. After the ad break, we will be with Mariki, who will be with interviewing an artist called Baby Jesus.